Make sentences using 100 words for class 1 to 5. Apple. I like to eat an apple. Ball. The ball is red. Cat. The cat is sleeping. Dog. My dog is happy. Egg. I eat an egg. Fish. The fish swims. Go. I go to school. Hat. I have a blue hat. Ice. The ice is cold. Jump. I can jump high. Kite. My kite flies high. Leaf. The leaf is green. Milk. I drink milk daily. Nest. The bird is in the nest. Orange. Oranges are juicy. Parrot. The parrot can talk. Queen. The queen wears a crown. Rain. I love the rain. Sun. The sun is bright. Tree. The tree gives us shade. Umbrella. I use an umbrella in the rain. Pan. A pan is bigger than a car. Watch. I wear a watch on my wrist. X-ray. The doctor took my X-ray. Yarn. My grandmother knits with yarn. Zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Basket. The basket is full of fruits. Candle. The candle gives light. Door. Please close the door. Elephant. The elephant is a big animal. Flower. The flower smells nice. Garden. I play in the garden. House. My house is very big. Island. An island is surrounded by water. Jungle. Many animals live in the jungle. Kangaroo. A kangaroo jumps high. Lemon. Lemons taste sour. Mountain. The mountain is very tall. Notebook. I write in my notebook. Ocean. The ocean is very deep. Pencil. I sharpen my pencil before writing. Question. The teacher asked a question. Rabbit. The rabbit runs fast. School. I go to school every day. Turtle. The turtle walks slowly. Umbrella. The umbrella protects us from rain. The umbrella protects us from rain. Volcano. The volcano erupted last night. Whale. The whale is the biggest sea animal. Xylophone. I play music on my xylophone. Yogurt. Yogurt is good for health. Zoo. We saw a lion in the zoo. Bread. I eat bread with butter. Clock. The clock shows time. Duck. The duck swims in the pond. Eggplant. Eggplant is a purple vegetable. Feather. The bird has a soft feather. Goat. The goat eats grass. Honey. Bees make honey. Igloo. Eskimos live in an igloo. Jam. I spread jam on my toast. King. The king lives in a palace. Lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Mango. Mango is my favorite food. Nest. The bird lays eggs in the nest. Octopus. The octopus has 8 arms. Penguin. Penguins live in cold places. Quilt. I sleep under a warm quilt. Rocket. The rocket goes to space. Star. Star shine at night. Tiger. Tiger has black stripes. Umbrella. I use an umbrella in the rain. Vase. The vase has beautiful flowers. Wind. Wind is blowing strongly. X-ray. The doctor checked my X-ray. Yo-yo. I play with yo-yo. Zipper. My jacket has a zipper. Balloon. The balloon is flying away. Chair. I sit on a chair. Desk. My books are on the desk. Envelope. I put a letter in the envelope. Farm. There are cows on the farm. Guitar. My father plays the guitar. Helicopter. The helicopter flies in the sky. Internet. I use the internet for studying. Jacket. My jacket keeps me warm. Kettle. The kettle is boiling water. Lighthouse. The lighthouse guides ships. Microscope. A microscope helps us see tiny things. Newspaper. My dad reads the newspaper every morning. Owl. The owl hoots at night. Pumpkin. The pumpkin is big and orange. Rainbow. Rainbow has many colors. Snow. The snow covers the ground. Telephone. I talk to my friend on the telephone. Universe. The universe is very big. Vegetable. Carrots are my favorite vegetable. Waterfall. The waterfall is beautiful. Xenon. Xenon is a type of gas. Yawn. I yawn when I feel sleepy. Judaic. Each person has a Judaic sign.